Hello friends, today we are going to learn to make pop-up cards. Here we will make a simple 90-degree pop-up card. This is based on the idea of a square. A square has all four sides equal. So when I press the square, the two corners meet because all the sides are equal. A rectangle has only the opposite sides equal. So we have a longer side and a shorter side. So when I press it, it forms into a parallelogram and the two opposite side corners don't meet. See the difference between a rectangle and a square. This is a square. So we will use the idea of a square to form the pop-up card. So we will take a card, look how it is formed, you place it inside, and when you close it, see what's happening inside. So you take the card, fold it and give two cuts on it, about 3 centimeters. That's 1 and that's 2. With a pair of scissors, we will cut both the front and the back, forming the two adjacent sides of the square. Now with a stylus or an empty pen, we will join the two corners and we will make a mark so that it folds easily on the front and the back. Those two marks will be a valley fold and the center will be a mountain fold. So that's the valley, and that's the mountain fold. Now we will take a colored paper and you can cut whatever you want. A star, a flower. I have taken a heart. So you cut the heart out. You can even paste a cutout of a photograph. You will put some gum here. Don't put too much as it will spill over. Place the heart and you are almost ready with your pop-up card. Now we will make the backing of it. So we will take a card or a sheet, find the midpoint on both sides. We've got the two midpoints and we will make a line so that it folds easily, like that. And you have a neat fold. Open it and place it inside. I have taken a white sheet as the backing. I hope you enjoyed learning to make a pop-up card. For more videos, subscribe to Morris Fun to Learn. Thank you.